Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just posted on Facebook they were having trouble cutting out the interior parts. They could make an outline of the motorcycle or the dirt bike, but they couldn't do the inside. Well, this is relatively easy and kind of fun. And to save time, I'm going to go and just take this original one back. This is I just picked a clip art, so if you're watching this is your motorcycle, but you could very easily do it to the one you've got. So I've removed all the white background and everything, and you can see it transparent. So we're going to move it over. And this motorcycle is about 6.72 inches, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 8 inches. And get that out of the way. Okay, we're ready to go. Now take your smart fill tool, and we don't want to use black, so let's use blue. And we want to specify the outline to hairline red. Now let's just zoom in here. Take your smart fill tool and color that in and move over one time with the arrow key. And then just go through here and let me zoom in here. Whoop. You don't want to zoom with the smart fill tool in hand. So we can see, and I'm just hitting it, and then with smart fill, and then I'm moving over with the right arrow key. And now I have to zoom back. I think I've got it all except for the interior part of the wheel. The little spokes and brake part. So I'm not even looking at my hands. I'm just using the right arrow key to move it over. I've got it done already. Oh, we missed this part. Okay. Now just select all that. Left click, no fill. There's your outline. Take this, select it all, go up to range and break curve apart, create a boundary, move it over. There's your dirt bike. Clear, transparent, will cut good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.